Well done on receiving the products on your procurement list. The next step is to manage your new goods. This is called stock control. Stock control involves recording data for the goods you have available in your service. Efficient stock control makes it easy to know what products you have available to provide to service users, and how many of each type of item you are providing over a period of time. This data makes the next procurement cycle easier, as you know how many of each item are used and how many more you need to procure. First, create a stock control list. You can print this list on paper, make it on your computer, or use a barcode scanning system. Record the serial number and the quantities of each item you have received in your shipment as you store them. When a service provider assesses a service user and provides them a product, they should record the information about the user and their product on a user prescription form. They will also need to record that they have taken a product from the storeroom and deduct it from the stock control list. This way, other personnel can easily find out how many products were initially in stock, how many have been provided to service users, and how many are left in stock. After a product is provided to a service user, it is important to do follow-up with them to make sure the product is appropriate for their needs and to make any adjustments needed. During follow-up, if any replacement parts or products are needed, they should also be recorded on the follow-up form and deducted from the stock control list. All information about service users and products should be stored in a database, which is updated weekly. Collecting data on services provided is a very important part of service delivery. Service data allows you to show the work that the service has been doing, the service users that have benefited from using the service, and provides evidence that you can use to advocate for increased funding for your service. You can use this data along with other information you have recorded in your procurement plan to review and evaluate the entire procurement cycle.